Nonprofits, churches, and local governments have one thing in common: a mission to serve their communities. But rising energy costs can make it harder to focus on what matters most. That's where we come in. Good Energy Solutions will help tax-exempt organizations not only reduce their energy costs, but also achieve their sustainability goals. With solar, your organization can lower monthly energy bills, free up funds for community programs, and protect your budget from unpredictable utility rates. We handle everything from system design to installation and ongoing maintenance, so you can focus on your mission, not your electricity bills. We can also add a battery for added energy security and monthly demand savings. With our partnership with Brightwell Capital, we help nonprofits, churches, and local governments leverage tax credits, incentives, and creative investment structures. The result is a pathway for these organizations to access solar without large upfront costs. Contact Good Energy Solutions today and discover how solar can power your mission and your savings.